Political veterans in Washington have a warning for Wall Street in wake of this Reddit-driven short squeeze. Eamon Javers joins us now to explain. Eamon?
Yeah, John, that's right. There's a whole group of political consultants here in Washington who are watching this GameStop situation with fascination and also with some familiarity. They argue that what we're seeing here is a financial version of the type of populism that we've seen in American politics over the past decade or so with the Trump MAGA movement and also going back to Occupy Wall Street. So a couple of similarities that they're spotlighting for me in my conversations with them, and then also some of the lessons learned from Washington here as you think about how this movement might take shape going forward. So first of all, the similarities here in terms of the populist piece of what we're seeing in the financial markets. One is the rage and economic anxiety that we're seeing being expressed in these actions, the belief that elites are rigging the system here against the little guy, and the fact that technology equalizes the playing field, both in the communications technologies and also in the trading technologies, the ability to participate. The memification of the message is similar here. The virality of some of these communications enabling an exponentially larger group of people to be exposed to these messages. The element of nostalgia for a better time. You know, Make America Great Again was literally about making America great again, hearkening back to a time in the past. People are explaining to me that the lure of GameStop is that this is a company that a lot of these investors remember from their childhood, a better time before COVID and before the economic troubles of today. Distrust of the media, and a willing embrace of risk. They know the risks here, the populists do, and they're willing to do it anyway. So what are the lessons learned here and sort of the Washington message? Well, one is that this mixture of fun and a moral or political cause is an extremely potent force. The pool of potential people here who would participate in this is nearly unlimited. Their advice is to understand your critics if you're a member of the Wall Street establishment, and don't think this is someone else's fight. Pay attention here to what these critics are saying and try to understand the social dynamics of the movement that we're in right now, Carl. So fascinating look at the populism of the markets from a political lens.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.